So this animal is a bird of prey living in the Northern Hemisphere. It is the most widely distributed species of eagle. Females are larger than males, with a bigger difference in larger subspecies. Hey everybody! In this video we're going to draw a golden eagle. Start by drawing a circle as the front portion of the body. Don't draw like this hard because it will be erased. It will be hard to erase after this video. And then draw a smaller circle as a guide for the head. Then draw a line there. Then after that, add this add some lines and then add a curve at the bottom for the beak. Then add like this curve going down. And then go right there. Then after that, add like this curve there. And another one. And then add a diagonal line, a longer and then after that, add this line right there. Then after that, add like this. Add like this diagonal line, and add another one there. Add this one. Then after that, add like another one there. Then add like this line and then go there. But for like this part right there, you have to add like a curve. Then go right there. Then add this thing right there. Then after that, add the tongue. Then add the top part. Then add this curves here for its esophagus, and then after that, trace the head. For the neck, add this thing or curve right there. After that, add this kind of thing right there. For the wings, add like this thing right there. Then go right there. Then go diagonally, a big and large diagonal line, and then add this big curve right there. And then add this curve right there. And then add another one right there. So after that, add like those curves there. After that, for the legs, add this feathery part right there. And then go right there. And then add a curve going there. Now for the claws, add this like diagonal line. Then add a curve. Connect it and then add two curves. And another curve for the claw. Then add this thing and then go right there. After that, add this curve right there. Add another one and then another one. Then go right there. And then another curve, and then the other one. And then draw a circle. But this time, after that, add some additional claws. And then that's it for the first leg. Now let's do the other. So first, add the feathery part right there. Then stop there. Then after that, add some feathery kind of stuff there. After that, add this curve there. And then add another curve and another curve until there. And then go right there. Then after that, add some more right there. And then add this curve right there. So after that, trace the parts of the body. Then go down. And then add some more kinds of feathers there. And after that, add two diagonal lines right there. After that, add another one. Or add some more like curves there. But after that, add 1, 2, 3, and 4 curves. Then you make 3 lines. Now let's erase some guidelines. Why? Because they're just guides. They're helping you to draw. All right, Mr. Golden Eagle, let's get you cleaned. Okay, now after that, let's go shading. First, add a few more details, or like redraw the ones that are accidentally erased. Now after that, let's add some shadings, but first let's add some spots right there to the golden eagle. After that, add some more shading right there. And then do this part, like darken this part right there. Then add this curve so that, and that's it for the golden eagle. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment if you want more of my videos. And I'll see you and tune in next time for more videos.